Water scarcity is a growing global concern, making efficient water management essential for organizations. ISO 46001 provides a framework for organizations to implement water efficiency management systems, or WMS. A crucial first step in implementing ISO 46001 is defining the scope of the WMS. A clearly defined scope ensures everyone understands the system's boundaries. This clarity is crucial for effective implementation, resource allocation, and performance evaluation. A well-defined scope identifies the specific areas, processes, and activities where the WMS applies. This clarity is essential for stakeholders such as employees, customers, and regulatory bodies. A well-defined scope prevents misunderstandings and promotes accountability. Without a clearly defined scope, organizations risk wasting resources on irrelevant activities. They may also miss opportunities for improvement. A well-defined scope helps organizations focus their efforts on areas where they can achieve the most significant water savings. Defining the scope of a WMS involves establishing clear boundaries. These boundaries outline the system's applicability. There are several key dimensions to consider. Physical boundaries define the physical locations, buildings, or sites covered by the WMS. This could include manufacturing facilities, office buildings, or even entire campuses. Organizational boundaries specify the departments, divisions, or business units included in the WMS. A large corporation might choose to implement a WMS in specific manufacturing plants or across all office locations. Activities, products, and services included in the WMS should be outlined. For example, a textile manufacturer might focus on water-intensive dyeing and finishing processes. Time boundaries are also important. Organizations may choose to define the scope of their WMS for a specific period. This could be a fiscal year or the duration of a particular project. By clearly defining these boundaries, organizations can avoid confusion and ensure that all relevant aspects are included in the WMS. Understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties is crucial when defining the scope of a WMS. ISO 46001 emphasizes the importance of considering internal and external issues as outlined in Clause 4.1 and the requirements of interested parties, as outlined in Clause 4.2. Internal issues might include the organization's water usage patterns, existing water management practices, and corporate sustainability goals. External issues could involve local water scarcity, regulatory requirements, and customer expectations regarding water stewardship. Engaging with stakeholders such as employees, suppliers, customers, and local communities helps organizations gain valuable insights. Stakeholders can provide information about water-related risks and opportunities. They can also contribute to setting realistic and achievable objectives for the WMS. Active stakeholder engagement fosters a sense of ownership and accountability. This collaborative approach helps ensure that the WMS aligns with the organization's overall sustainability strategy. Section 4: Practical examples illustrating scope statements for WMS. Examples of simple and detailed scope statements. Simple scope statement covers all water use at our manufacturing facility in City A. Aims to reduce water consumption by 10% within 2 years. Defines the location. City A outlines the objective and time frame. Detailed scope statement applies to all operations at our headquarters in City B. Includes all water uses such as drinking, sanitation, and cooling. Goal is a 15% reduction in municipal water use within 3 years. Achieved through water-efficient fixtures and awareness campaigns. Provides a comprehensive overview. Specifies location, activities, and objectives. Outlines strategies for achieving objectives. Section 5. Maintaining relevance documentation and review of your WMS scope. Once the scope of the WMS is defined, it should be documented, communicated, and readily available to all relevant personnel. Documentation ensures clarity and consistency in implementing the WMS. However, a scope definition is not static. It should be reviewed periodically or when significant changes occur. These changes might include expansions, new processes, or shifts in regulatory requirements. Regular review ensures the scope remains relevant and aligned with the organization's evolving context. By embedding the scope definition within the organization's document control system, it becomes a living document. This ensures that any revisions are tracked and communicated effectively, ensuring everyone is working towards the same water efficiency goals.